Yo, real quick, I want to talk about something that's on my mind. Very important, right? You see, as a star seed, right? There are a lot of people that are gonna underestimate you. They're gonna sleep on you, right? But let me make this clear. God is about to bless you. And so many people, right, they can't come along, right? These people might be, your friends, the people you hang around with. Some of them might even be like your family members, so many things. And the reason why God is going to remove them from your life is because they underestimated you. They didn't see your potential, right? But one thing about the universe, as a star seed, I want you to know that the universe always have your back. Like, that's some real. Yo, I'm about to just vent real quick because this some really important stuff, right? You see, as a chosen one or as a star seed, right? Naturally, you're destined for greatness. Naturally, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth. These are your birthright. But you see, this is why knowledge of self is important, right? Because they are actually people that see you, right? They know who you are, but just because you lack knowledge of self, right? These people try to take advantage of you, it's just life. So that's why most of the times you find yourself in different problems or different situations where you just feel okay, you just keep asking yourself questions, like you just keep asking the universe questions why are things not working out? Why is everything this way? Why is everything that way? That's just the way life is, man. But one thing I want you to know, right, is that as a star seed, the universe, higher powers, God, whatever term you want to use, right? This universe is watching over you, right? And once it comes to the universal laws, take for example law of karma, right? It's crazy when people do wrong things and they think they are gonna get away with it. The universe is always looking out for you. The universe is always watching out for you, and karma is real. Things are real. That's why as a star seed, it's always advisable you just keep living in your light. Keep focusing on you and keep doing you. Real stuff, man. You're about to level up. You need to believe in it, right? You need to keep trusting, right? It doesn't matter how many people you gave your light to, and they didn't see the value, so they did you wrong. They spoke about you wrong, just different things in life. But I want you to know that all this. So with that being said, I want you to keep doing you. Keep focusing on you, self-development every day, right? The reason why you never fit in is because you were born to stand out. That's just the truth. That's just a fact. You never fit in because you were born to stand out. Be different. Don't try to fit in to societal conditioning or friends, family expectations, thought process, right? You need to break out of the matrix, man. Because this matrix is the matrix has crashed, man, like real shit. The only people who are going to like find peace, find happiness, are the ones who are following their self, the ones who are following their true paths, as opposed to living a life or a so-called programming from the matrix. And that shit is crazy, man. So with that being said, keep living in your divinity, keep living in your light. You deserve peace, you deserve happiness, you deserve all the good things this world has to offer. Keep living righteous, keep doing you, keep focusing on your dreams, right? Peace.